we have fins outside the boat. That means that a computer is moving those fins to counteract the roll side to side of your boat. And that means too, as you can imagine, a fin system is more effective at speed because you have more surface area on those fins, or more speed, more water resistance on those fins, allowing them to control the roll of the boat. Although modern fin stabilizer systems work very well at rest because they have enough surface area, and the computer technology to move those fins quickly ensures that your boat does not go side to side, either at rest, slow speed, or high speed. Now, fins, obviously we're adding, coming down from the hull. We are adding potentially collision issues. Oh, obviously we could hit something with a fin. If there was debris or we went into shallow water, a fin could hit something. There are some safety issues with fins as well. When the boat is at rest and you have a tender right next to the boat, or people are swimming, those fins are underwater working, and they can sometimes cause problems and be dangerous. So it's really best to disable your fin stabilizers when you're at anchor and you have people in the water or tenders pulling up alongside your boat. So just be aware of that. Now, a gyroscopic